Hey guys, how's it going? How to download YouTube videos in 2025. First of all, go ahead and open up YouTube, right? And select the video that you want to download. Okay, let's say for example, let me go back. Let's say for example, I want to select this video and I want to download it. So I'm gonna click the three dots and then I'm gonna be able to download right here, but I need to subscribe to YouTube Premium and go to free trial, right? In my case, I'm gonna give you a free way that you can do. Click share right here and then copy link, and then what you're gonna do, just go back and then go and open up your browser, and then you're gonna go ahead to your favorite browser, favorite search engine. In my case, I'm gonna use Google. I'm gonna just type YouTube downloader, right? And then you're gonna go ahead to the Y2 meta and then paste the link that you just copied, right? You're gonna see this is the video. Download it as an audio or as a video. In my case, I'm gonna download it as, as a video, right? Go ahead. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and download the video. Sorry, you're gonna see a lot of ads because I'm using Safari, but if you're not using Safari and you're using Brave, you won't face that problem. You can just go ahead and hit download from here and you're gonna be able to download it right away. Okay, you gotta just wait for a few moments and you could be able to see a pop-up window that allows you to download this video, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to download it right away. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.